Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. Please check audio video is okay or not. Good evening. Please check audio video is okay or not. Yeah, let's see this. So important questions for GATE examination. So see this one. If a 5 states finite automata accept some string W, 5 states finite automata accept some string W, right, of length 7, then language of M is, right. If a 5 states finite automata M accepts 5 states automata M accepts some string W of length 7, then L of M is. Let me ask you, right, one finite automata accepting some strings of length 7 means it doesn't mean that it don't accept other. It may accept less also, it may accept more also, but it is accepting some strings of length 7, right? That's okay. Then one small question I want to ask you. If automata contain 5 states, the maximum length string possible without loop is 4 only. If automata contain 5 states, the maximum string possible without loop is 4 only. But he is saying that, right, there exists a some string of length 7 also accepting. That means somewhere loop is there. Otherwise, it is not possible. So right, because of finite automata it is irregular, so it is fail. Because of finite automata it should be irregular, so he is saying non-regular, it fail. And one more 5 states automata accepting some string of length 7 means compulsory loop is there. When you say loop, it can generate infinite strings also. So I can easily say that, right, it is an infinite language. It cannot be finite. The reason is 5 states automata accepting 7 length string, so loop is there. That means loop is there. Whenever you say loop, how can you say it is accepting finite? So it is not possible. So answer is going to be infinite, right? Infinite regular language. Actually answer is infinite regular language. Infinite language is saying it's okay. Infinite regular language also infinite. So answer for this problem is infinite. If a 5 states finite automata accepts some string of length 7, then language of M is, right, because of loop infinite. Because of finite automata exists, it cannot be non-regular. So answer is going to be infinite regular language. He is given infinite, that's correct. So please let me know if anyone having any doubt in this problem. It's a very nice problem. Can you check once? Ritesh saying that is it live? I think Ritesh, it is live only. Ritesh, it is live only. Fortunately we both are connected. It is a live only. Right? If you have 5 states of finite automata accept some string of length W of length is equal to 7, then language of M is, right, answer is what? Infinite. Because 5 states automata accepting 7 length means what? Loop is there. If loop is there, how finite possible? So infinite. And one more, finite automata means regular language. Answer is infinite regular language. Right? So non-regular fail, finite is fail, answer is infinite. Right? Perfect. Can you go to the next problem? Can you see this also? If a 5 states finite automata M accepts some string of length W is equal to 4. 5 states automata M accepts some string of length 4, then language of M is. 5 states accepting 4, right? You cannot say that loop is there. 5 states automata accepting 4 length string means you cannot say loop is there, right? But one thing he is saying that some string of length 4 it is accepting. It doesn't mean that it is not accepting 3 length. It doesn't mean that it is accepting, right? It doesn't mean that it don't accept 5 length. It don't accept 6 length. So from this, what can I comment is it may be finite language, it may be infinite. But one thing, it is a regular language. It is a regular language because finite automata is available. It is a regular language. So I cannot say finite, I cannot say infinite, right? I cannot say non-regular. This is cancel. I cannot say finite, I cannot say infinite, because he is saying that there is a, right, I have a finite automata which is accepting, right, 4 length string which is accepting. He is not saying only 4 length. He is saying that some strings of length 4 it is accepting, but automata contain 5 states. So from this I cannot say loop exist. From this I cannot say loop exist. From this I cannot say loop not exist also. Loop may exist, loop may not exist. So what is the answer for this? Loop may exist, loop may not exist. So what is the answer for this? Answer for this one is, right, none. Right? It may be finite. So he is saying finite, no. He is saying infinite, no. May be finite, may be infinite. So answer is going to be none. Better option is none. He is not saying that only 4 length accepting. He is not saying only, right, 4 length is accepted, 4 length is rejected. He is not saying some string. If he say only this accepting, I can comment something. But he is not saying like that. He is simply saying that there is a finite automata which contain 5 states. It is accepting some strings of length 4. It is accepting some strings of length 4. Check if any problem. Streaming, any problem, verify. So answer for this problem is going to be none. Answer for this problem is going to be none, right? Careful. Now go to the next problem. Yeah, this also see. If a 5 states finite automata M accepts only string length 4, means 4 length strings only accepting. I have a finite automata M which is accepting only 4 length strings. Only 4 length string. If it is the binary alphabet, assume that I think 2 power 4 strings means 16, which is going to be finite. And because of finite automata, the regular also, answer is finite regular. It will accept finite regular. It will accept finite regular. If a 5 states finite automata accepts only strings of length 4, then language of M is, right, because of it is accepting only 4 length. Not less than 4 length, not more than 4 length. It is accepting only 4 length. Only 4 length. So I think because of finite automata, it is a finite regular language. But they given non-regular fail, infinite fail. So answer is finite. Finite regular language also finite. Finite regular language also finite language. So answer is finite. Answer is A. Answer is A. Right? Let's go to next one. Answer is A. Let's go to next one. See this? See everyone? See everyone now. So it's a surprising news. It is a really surprising. Everyone know it is a really surprising. The reason is, right, Unacademy decreases. Unacademy decreases price of iconic. 21%. Unacademy decreased. 21% Unacademy decreases iconic price. It is decreased, not increasing. Remember, it is not increasing, it is decreasing. Unacademy decreases 21% iconic price. 21%. My sincere suggestion, this is the correct time. This is the correct time to take the iconic. It is the correct time to take the iconic. You will get the printed notes also. Printed notes, quality printed notes you will get. which is made by the Unacademy top educators, quality printed notes you will get. Unacademy decreases 21% of iconic subscription. Quality printed notes you will get. It's a correct time to take the subscription. See this one, 6 months. Current price is this much, right? So after this price drop is over, right? Only 45k. 12 months, 62k. After, right, this 21% decrease, only 52k. And one more, apply referral code ReddySir also. You will get, right, 10 more percentage discount. Apply ReddySir also. You will get 10 more percentage discount. It is the best time. It is the best time. It is the best time. Next one, if you take the plus subscription, one more facility there. If you take plus subscription of 9 months, 2 more months extra validity. 12 months you take 3 more months of extra validity. Right? 18 months you take 4 more months extra validity. 24 months you take 4 more months extra validity. Use the referral code ReddySir, right, to get the 10% instant discount. It's the best time. This is valid until May 25th only. It is valid until May 25th only. Utilize this. And one more, Unacademy is having community feature for Android, right? So you can, right, educator and learner connect each other. After class over, right, teacher and student both can connect. There is no need to waste your time in the WhatsApp. There is no need to waste your time in the, right? There is no need to waste your time in the WhatsApp, Telegram and all. So Unacademy people are having, after class over, you can connect with the teacher. You can connect with the teacher in that group. It is the best opportunity. It is the best opportunity. You can utilize this. It is the best opportunity. You can utilize this. Next one, there is an all-star batch. There is an all-star batch is going on. May 18, all-star batch is going on. May 18, all-star batch is going on. Right? May 18, right? So maybe introduction classes are happening. So recorded already there, you can go through. It is the best one. You can join in this. In that batch, I am teaching algorithm, data structure, programming, compiler design, theory of computation, computer network, discrete mathematics, algorithm, data structure, programming, computer networks, compiler, TOC, discrete mathematics. In this batch, I am teaching these subjects. Please utilize this. You will get approximately 60 marks from this. Approximately will get 60 marks from that. Next one, right? Fine. So these are our previous ranker. Last year we got first rank, fourth rank, third rank, 8th rank. Top 10 we got 4 ranks. Very soon, top 10 we may get approximately top 10 also. Next year you will see, right? You will see definitely better ranks than this, because we are able to see students are every day, many students are joining in Unacademy. Day to day, many students are joining. Right? So when crowd is increases, automatically rank will increase. I am sure next year, this time, we will get many ranks. Right? So my suggestion is, if you are serious, you please join here. If you join the plus course, you will get these many advantages. If you go for iconic, so many advantages. So my suggestion is go for iconic. Right? Can you see this? Consider the following graph G. One graph is given. How many MST is possible? For this graph, how many MST is possible? Let's write one time. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's see how many MST is possible. I am also doing first time. Let's see one time. Right? First minimum. I think how many vertices? 6 vertices. I want only 5 edges. Let's check. If choice is there, many will come. Choice not there, only one will come. More choices, more ways. Less choices, less way. Let's check one time. Because of connected graph, compulsory MST possible. Because of given graph is right, connected one, compulsory at least one MST possible. If at all many places choice there, many possible. Let's try. What is the first minimum? I am applying Kruskal. First minimum 11. Second minimum, I think 2 12s are there. 2 12s. I think you can take any 12 because of no cycle. Next minimum, one more 12. Right? I think 2 12s over. Now I think total 6 vertices. I need 5 edges. 3 edges are over. 2 more edges required. 2 more edges required. Let's see this one. 2 more edges. 2 more edges. Right? Those 2 edges may be. Right? Those 2 edges may be. Can you help me now? Can you take this edge? 2 more edges you have to take. I think so many 13s. I think how many 13s are there? 4 13s are there. 4 13s, 13, 13, 13, 13, 4 13. Out of 4 13s, right, I have to take only 2. Out of 4 selecting 2. I think 4C2. How many ways? Let's check. 4C2. Out of 4 I have to select only 2. 4C2. I think 4 into 3 by 1 into 2. 12 by 2. I think 6. 6 ways are there. 6 ways are there, right? So let's see out of them which may some may create cycle. If no cycle, it could have been 6. If cycle is there, some more will delete. Let's try any cycle is there. One possibility, right? One possibility, right? 1 and 1. That is the one possibility. No cycle. That is the one possibility, right? That is the one. One more thing. So by keeping the middle person, let's try. By keeping middle person, totally 6 possible. By keeping middle person, how many possible? Let's see. 1, right? So 1 is going to be. I tried, right? This, right? Just to fix this one, right? Here 1, right? Right. If not here, if here, I think 2. Here you cannot. Cycle will come. If you keep here, cycle will come. So by fixing this one, 2 possibilities, 1 here, 1 here, right? That's the one way, right? Two possibilities already done. Okay, 2. Next one, without fixing this, any chance is there? Let's try that also. Let's try. So I think this one, one more, right? That is the one way, and one more. What about this one? This one, that is the one more. I think 2 more possibilities like this. By fixing this one, 2 possibilities, right? That is also okay. Let's go to one more. Right? By fixing this, this one let me fix. Right? This one if I fix, right? This one if I fix, I already done this. This one I have to try. This one if you fix, this is, I think one more. I think only thing is, right, that cycle possibility we have to eliminate. Actually 6 possibilities, but this is creating cycle. The only thing is eliminate the cycle story. Out of 4 selecting, right, out of 4 selecting 2, 4C2, 6 ways. Out of them 1 way creating cycle. Other ways no cycle is there. Please check. That is the only place where cycle will come. I think answer is 5. Undoubtedly answer is 5. This is the best problem. Undoubtedly answer is 5. It's a very, very nice question. Undoubtedly it is a nice problem, right? So out of 4 selecting 2, 4C2, 6 ways. Out of them 1 creating cycle. This is the only cycle, I think so. With the 2 edges, it is the only cycle. Further, if you take 3 length cycle is there, but I am not taking 3 edges, only 2. And one more, some people are asking, sir, what about this one? Right? Why don't you touch this diagram? No, all are minimum people are there. If minimum people are there, right, because of cycle of someone else, I cannot delete the minimum people. So answer is going to be 5. It's the best problem. Can you check once? Easiest way is out of 4 selecting 2, 4C2, 6 ways. 1 way is going to cycle, remove the cycle. Answer is going to be 5. Right? Answer is going to be 5. I hope it is really useful to you. Let's go to the next problem. What is the root of the AVL tree for the node 30, 10, 30, 20, 10, 40, 60, 50? AVL tree you have to create for these nodes. After creating, what will be the root is asking. Let's try AVL tree. First 30, no problem. Next 20, I think it is because of AVL tree is a BST, go left side. Right? No problem. Next one is 10. Because of AVL tree is a BST, I think less than 30, less than 20, 10 will be here. I think while coming back, it is a 0. it is going to be 1 minus 0 plus 1, it is going to be 2 minus 0 plus 2. There is a problem. What is this problem? Plus means L, plus means L, LL problem. Answer is 1 right rotation. Answer is 1 right rotation. What is the answer? Year 20, year 30, year 10. 1 right rotation. 20, 10, 30. Right? I think these are over. Next one. Right? So what happened? He is not asking how many rotations also. No need to count. Last diagram, what will be the root? Let's check. Next 40 is coming. 40 will be here. No problem. Next 60 is coming. I think here. Is there any problem? Let's check here. It is a 0. It is a minus 1. It is a minus 2. There is a problem. There is a problem means no need to go further. Minus means what? Right. Minus means what? Right. It is a RR problem. It is going to be 20 here. It is going to be 10 here. It is going to be 40 here. It is going to be 30 here. It is going to be 60 here. Right? So if you go further, I think there is no problem. Next one. So can you say which problem it is? RR. What is the solution? 1 left rotation. Who is the next one is coming? 50. I think 50 will go here. 50 go here. Let's check once any problem. Let's check here any problem. Right? Let's try here. So I think if you see here 0, it is going to be plus 1. It is going to be 1 minus 2. I think minus 1. This is going to be 0 minus 3. What is the answer? Minus 2. There is a problem. Minus means R. Minus means R. It is a RR problem. RR problem, just to do 1 rotation. I think for the new tree, root is going to be 40. Left is going to be 20. Right is going to be 60. So like that all are happening. Like that all are happening. So answer is 40. Right? So for this problem, answer is right 40. For this problem, answer is 40. What is the root of the ABL tree for the node? Right, like this. Answer is 40. What is the root of the ABL tree for the node 30, 20, 10? Right, answer is 40. Please take care. How many rotations are there? If my guess is correct, answer first LL problem rotation is right. Next one RR problem rotation is left. Next RR problem rotation is left. So 1 right rotation, 2 left rotation, totally 3 rotations. Root is going to be 40. Root is going to be 40. So please verify. Root is going to be 40. Right. This is also a nice problem. Can you check one time? A certain permutation of integers stored in an array is provided as an input to the procedure of quicksort. A certain permutation of integers stored in an array is provided as input to the procedure of a quicksort. After 1 pass of the algorithm, the status of the array is right as follows, like this. Means what you want to say is a certain permutation of integers stored in an array is provided as input to the procedure of quicksort. Means for quicksort algorithm, 1 random input is given to the quicksort algorithm. After 1 pass of the algorithm, the status of the array is as follows. Means they applied the partition algorithm 1 time. Right? If you apply the partition algorithm 1 time, this is the output. 1 time only you applied the partition algorithm. Right? Let's see what he is asking. After 1 pass of the algorithm, the status of the array is as follows. Same. Right? 1 time he applied the partition algorithm. This is the output what he got. Then he is asking the sum of all possible values that could have been used as a pivot. The sum of all possible values that could have been used as a pivot is, right? That is the thing what he is asking. The sum of all possible values that could have been used as a pivot is, right? That is the thing what he is asking. So can you help me now? If you apply the partition algorithm on the given array, right, which element you selected as a pivot, it will go to correct place. Correct place is nothing but left small, right greater. If you take any element as the pivot, left side small will be there, right side greater will be there. Let's check here. So if I take let us assume that 19 is a pivot, assume. After partition algorithm is over, less than 19 one side, more than 19 other side, less than 19 16, it is not going left, so it cannot be a pivot. Now 16. If at all 16 is the pivot, left hand side is smaller people but a bigger is there, it cannot be. If at all 21 is a pivot, left smaller, yes, right bigger, yes, all are bigger, I think it can be pivot. If 23 is a pivot, left smaller, yes, Write all greater. Yes, it is also, it can also be pivot. If you take 28 as a pivot, left smaller, yes. Right bigger, no, it cannot be. If 25 is the pivot, left smaller, no, this cannot be pivot. If 27 is the pivot, left smaller, no, because of there is a bigger, no. If 34 is the pivot, left smaller, yes. Right bigger, I think this can also be. Left smaller, right no one, it's okay. I think he is asking sum of all possible pivots is 21 plus 23 plus 20 plus 34. I think 3 people. 21 plus 23, which is going to be 44. 44 plus 34, which is going to be 78. 44 plus 34, which is going to be 78. Which is going to be 78. Answer is 78. It's a nice problem. Please take care. It's a really nice problem. You please take care. Right? Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Thanks all. Thanks all. See you tomorrow. See you in the next class. Tomorrow, I think not there. Right? Day after tomorrow. See you in next class. Right? Good night.